Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
दक्षिण गोंयांत काय गद्दार खंय रातयात चोरयात जनसुनावणेक गेल्ल्यान ऑफिसरांनी सकाळ म्हणसर जनसुनावणेचो माटो उखल्लो. गद्दारांच्या नावान शबय.
And all of us took a collective decision and we left that venue. We told the administration also, Tinga, we will come tomorrow. Sad to say that some of the so-called saviors of Goa, they came at night. Chora Machin, Rachi, Eon, they disposed here. They disposed here and brought down the movement of the people. We had taken a decision. They came and spoke. What did they speak? So yet, these are the traitors. Shame for all these people. And ye to ek padri yaha. Ek padri yaha. I want to say this. So traitors are among us. Please identify them. Ye fal Elisa Mambostole. They are the one who have destroyed this movement today. Ye Munsha lagon ye amge South Goa hearing bond zala. Kitle lok yelo ha ulopak.
मडगांवां कलेक्टराक सुनावणे आड निवेदन.
In the morning they should have waited over here rather than just packing it up like this. So yeah, bulldozing zalo. Waka full plan is going to be a mess again, and we are not going to leave like this. We are not going to leave. It will be for 2 days. They said they are going to continue for 2 days or 3 days still, but there is nothing.
उत्तरेतूय ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट निवेदन घेऊन CZMPच्या पणजे ऑफिसात पावले.
आम्ही आयल्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ एनवायरमेंटा विचारपाक की तुवें ही ऑर्डर कशी काडली दीस रात चालू दवरपाक. कित्याक NGTची ऑर्डर क्लियरली सांगता की हियरींग सारके भशेन जावपाक जाय, सगळे लोकांक उलोवपाक चान्स मेळपाक जाय, आनी जाय जाल्यार हियरींग कितलेय दीस दवरूंक जाता म्हूण NGTची ऑर्डरीन बरयल्लें आसा. ऑर्डरीन आसा जाल्यार तुमी दीस रात कशी दवरूंक शकतात?
So would you challenge this public hearing now?
वी विल चॅलेंज. आमी कायद्यान चॅलेंज करतले.
आप म्हणटा जनसुनावणेची पद्धत बरोबर ना. BJP जाय ते करता, काँग्रेस करूंक दिता. विरोध नावाक.
खूपशा पंचायतींनी गावच्या लोकांनी मिळून प्लॅन तयार केल्या. ते प्लॅन जर आमी घेतले जाल्यार हो जो प्रोसेस आसा तो आमकां रोखडो कंप्लीट करपाकूय बीन जातलो.
रियली काँग्रेस आनी BJP आर द साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन. तेणी काल सिद्ध केलें. ते सुसेगाद बशिल्ले, तांकां कोणाचेच पडूंक नाशिल्ले. आपले मास्क घालून सारखे VIP अशे बशिल्ले. हाचेर आमी निशेध करतात.
जनसुनावणेचे फुडें कशें कितें काय म्हूण मिडियान मुख्यमंत्र्याक विचारले. सुनावणे खंय व्यवस्थीत जाल्यात.
CZMPचे हियरिंग जे आसा पळय काल दोनूय कलेक्टरांनी वेवस्थीत विचार घेतला. तांचे रिपोर्ट्स ते हांव सबमीट करपाक जाय पयलीं. दे सबमीट द रिपोर्ट टू द कोर्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू बट प्रिपरेशन वॉज नॉट गूड.
लोकांचे म्हणणे आसले प्रिपरेशन सारकें नासलें.
सगळी कडेन पेंडल घातलेले, सगळी कडेन सगळ्यो सोयी आसल्यो.
प्लॅन बीन तिका सारकें दाखोवंक ना.
हांवें फॉलो हांवें तेजे रिव्यू घेतलो त्या नुसार दोनूय कलेक्टरांनी वेवस्थीत रित्या सगळें दाखयलें.
We have completed the hearing. Now, if there are still problems, there are two things what the people can do. It is till the 15th of this month. We will take written objections and suggestions or whatever they want to stay in the CCDMA office at Panjim. Plus, our minutes of yesterday's hearings, whatever people have said, are already almost uploaded on our website. They should examine their whatever they said, whether it is right or wrong. And if it is wrong, if it is wrongly recorded, it is wrongly recorded as per their say, they can please give us in writing and we will correct those minutes of yesterday's hearing.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.